don't need my help no more? No? Gotta go up here.
Oh. I heard you and I said, oh.
I think it's up that way. Or... You gotta go. Yeah.
Let him do it.
Dad support him in case he slipped. Oh, look at that boy.
He said what?
I needed this break. You need to. What the heck? Why y'all going all over there? Okay, no, listen. Let's go back. Let's get back on the trail.
Dorian! He's about to fall down. Dorian!
Go to Abigail.
He said no help?
You got it.
He's just like, I'm a pro.
You got it, baby.
Cautious.
You got this.
He's going through a hole in his And he looks so happy too. Actually, don't go too far down.
He's an outdoor baby.
Sonny, you can't wear it like a backpack, son. You gotta wear it like a purse.
Good job, Dorian. You did it.
A man purse.
And he's, wow. Still running.
Oh, shit. So how about we switch? You take this bag, I take your bag, you take this tent.
Are you serious? You telling my 5-year-old to take the tent. He like, he looked at you and said,
Turn around.
you crazy. Why are you hugging me? Come on, let's go. We gotta walk. We gotta walk.
What are you looking at?
It's birds, Dorian.
Look, Dorian, up. Oh.
Yeah, he saw it. He said bird.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
They search for something. I was gonna actually take a video from this deal, but I'm just like, you can't.
Hmm?
You can't take a video from this deal, yeah.
You're hiking, you thinking about Miss Diddy, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Go on, baby. Look, we can gonna go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go get Abigail. I'm behind. You have sand in your shoes?
No.
Do you have sand in your shoes, Dorian?
No.
Yeah, you need help?
No.
No, don't fall into it.
He said, I got it. Look at you. He just passed you. Hopefully he not stop again to play with dirt. You okay?
His hand's a whole nother skin tone.
You okay? You need help? No? Okay, get up then.
I probably didn't say no to that too.
Why are we stopping? Oh, hug. Hug. Okay, let's go. What? What is it?
What?
More hug. I love you. Mwah. You ready to go? Where's Abigail? She's leaving us. Abigail's leaving us. She's leaving. Where is she going? Say, where you going, Abigail? I know. You gonna run the whole way? No. No, you don't go back. We go forward. Why you kissing my leg? You biting me, Dorian. Ow! Ow! You bit me. Why did you bite me? That was not nice. That was not nice. You hurt my leg. You did hurt my leg. Oh, now you're gonna give me a hug? Come on, let's go get Abigail. You wanna go up? Dorian. You want me to pick you up?
No.
Okay, come up here. I'll pick you up. Mwah. Come on. So you ready? You taking a break from walking?
A break.
A break. You tired?
No.
No, you're not tired?
No.
So why am I holding you?
Again.
You are?
No.
Okay. Abigail.
No.
You wanna go to Abigail? You wanna go to Abigail?
Every time you tell me no, exactly what you want.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'll walk behind you, okay?
No.
You wanna come to me?
No. Okay. Let's go.
Oh, I know. You go away. Oh, is she staying behind?
No, she almost fell.
She almost fell. You are really heavy, Dorian.
Yeah, you see why I didn't want to carry him in that bag.
You are heavy.
God.
Are you blowing kisses? No. Hmm? Come on, we gotta go. Look, where's Abigail going? Look at Abigail. She's up there. Look. That way. It's Abigail, say Dorian. Come on, I'll take you. No, she didn't go that way. She did not go that way. You okay?
No.
You want some water? Water? Here you go. Here's some water.
No.
You gonna hold it?
No.
Okay, put it back in the backpack. My backpack.
No.
Yeah? Abigail, where are you? Abigail. Abigail. Yeah, I see you. Now Dorian does. No, that's smart. How'd she get down there? Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dorian. Thank you.
He took his stick, right?
No, I gave him a rock.
She got you a lot of rocks. You drop it. You ready to go? You want me to hold your rocks? Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Mm-hmm. That's enough.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Break really easily.
Where's she going? Why you untie my shoes? Leave my shoes. No. No, we are not putting rocks in my shoes. Mm-mm. Okay. Uh-oh. You okay?
What happened?
He hit the rock on his head.
Oh. Yeah, that's the cool thing about canyons. Because they echo.
Okay, be careful. Okay, let's go, baby.
I'm coming down.
That's too big, okay? Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Thank you. You gave me a kiss. Thank you for the kiss, Dorian. Oh, and a hug. You are so sweet. Mwah. You ready to go? Come on, let's go. Let's go to Daddy. You're gonna just sit there? We need to move out. Bye-bye. You have a rock on your head. Come on, let's go. Why are you putting a rock on your head? You want me to let go? Let go. Okay. You want me to hold your hand? Okay. Hey. No, don't pick rock up. Let's go. We have a lot of rocks. We have a lot of rocks.
What?
Yeah, we have a lot of rocks. No. You tired? You want me to hold you?
No.
You want me to hold your rock? Or you want me to hold your hands? I'll hold your rock in your hand. Okay. What do you want? Up? Up. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you tired?
No.
No.
Die.
Okay. That's okay. We're gonna go up there?
No.
Yeah. You got it. I know. Look at you going. You want me to let go? No. You did good. High five. Fist bump. Let's go. You ready to go? Listen, we're running down. Wait for me, okay? Wait for me. There's a deep. Let me hold your hand. Let me hold your hand. It's deep. It's steep. We don't want to fall down. You're stopping and looking at scenery? Up? I know, that's really nice. Oh, I love your hug. Why are you going between my legs? Why are you going between my legs? You ready to go? You want me to pick you up? No. Come on, we gotta go. Yeah, I can pick you up if you're tired. Let's go. You gonna hold your hand? No. You ready? Okay, let's go then. Gonna take that rock? Okay. No, don't strap it on your skin. You're gonna cut yourself. Don't use that's not a drawing pencil. Okay, come on, give it to me. I'll keep it for you. Give it to me. I'll put it in the backpack. More rock in the backpack. Come on. Dorian. Dorian. What are you doing? I know you do, but what are you doing? Come on, let's go. Like out and heavy. Stand. Over here. You want it to take Dorian? Hey, can you? Okay, let me open this. Where's your sister? Open this for me, please, so I can lay Dorian down. Ready? Ready? You left me. Your brother that fell asleep. Fell asleep.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.